Hi there guys, Ross Bridgeford here, the author of my brand new book, The Alkaline Reset Cleanse, which is coming out today, New Year's Eve. It's very, very exciting, and I'm here with a very, very quick message for you today. It's a very timely message, something that's really, really important that I want you to consider, and it's a question that we should all be asking ourselves as New Year's Eve rolls around, and that is, how exactly are you going to begin January the 1st, 2019? What is the very first thing you're going to do when you wake up? This is so critical because there is magic in intent. In the military, I've heard this from so many different sources, in the military that they drum it into everyone, and you find so many people from the military, ex-military, even now, the first thing they do when they wake up in the morning is they make their bed. It's a small win first thing in the morning, but it sets their intent for the rest of the day. It's a win for the rest of the day. So many people will wake up on New Year's Eve, on New Year's Day, and mindlessly just go into the new year and just repeat old patterns. This is an opportunity for you to set your intent for the year by just picking one small win, something for your health. It could be a glass of lemon water. It could be to get up and meditate. It could be to just go for a walk. It doesn't matter what it is. What matters is that you're setting your intent. And when you set your intent, magic happens. I recommend all through the year, one of the biggest parts of my coaching is to set this intent. And for a lot of people, that means starting the day with a proper, decent, alkaline, healthy breakfast, okay? When you start the day right, you're so much more likely to continue the rest of the day in the right manner, okay? By having a really good, healthy, alkaline breakfast, you won't get to your morning commute and go, I'm just gonna pick up a bagel, or get to work and reach for the cookie jar. No, the intent will be set in your mind, in your conscious, in your subconscious, that you want to keep on the right track. Hello, Joy, thank you for the big yes. This is so important, and it's so important now because you've got a new opportunity. You've got an opportunity for a fresh start. 2019 is coming. Another new year is coming. It's quite incredible, really. I really, really recommend you do this, guys. It's such a simple exercise. Literally sit down and think and jot down and write out, how can I make the new year start on the right foot? What am I going to do? Be specific, be intentional, have that intent to start the new year right. Magic will happen if you do this. That's all my simple messages for you today. I don't want you to miss this opportunity, guys. Have a wonderful New Year's Eve. I've already celebrated because my book literally came out today. I will put the link in the comments of where you can go and check it out and learn more about it. That literally came out today, the 31st of December, 2018. So it's going to be a wonderful New Year's Eve for me. I hope you guys have a wonderful New Year's Eve too. And just remember, start 2019 with intent, and be specific and be focused and treat yourself right. Look after yourself, and let's do this. Let's make 2019 your best year ever, your most energized year ever. Still have a good time tonight though. Have a great one, guys, and I will see you all very, very soon.